If you have ever bitten into a bear claw pastry expecting meat, you were surprised. Today, we reveal the real secret ingredient that defines this classic Danish treat. It is almost always filled with sweet almond paste. Despite their name suggesting a connection to bears, these pastries actually get their shape from the almond paste inside. Usually shaped in a semicircle, with slices along the curved edge or rectangular with partial slices, they are designed to look like animal claws. The core of this delicious treat is a rich filling made from sweet almond paste. While some regional variations might include raisins, the defining characteristic is that nutty, dense flavor profile derived entirely from ground almonds mixed with sugar. To achieve that iconic look and texture, bakers brush each piece with egg wash before sprinkling sliced almonds over the top. They cut the dough into 3 to 4 inch pieces and make half-inch slits in the sealed edge to create the distinct claw shape. These pastries are a flaky, buttery delight that serves as a perfect breakfast treat or afternoon snack. A simple sweet glaze is often noon snack. Added to the top of the pastry for an extra layer of flavor and sweetness to complement the nutty filling. You will find these easy-to-handle Danish pastries in many bakeries because they are tender and full of nutty almond flavor. Whether baked with a short time or longer preparation, the result is a flaky crust holding a generous amount of sweet almond paste. So next time you see a bear claw, remember it is not a snack for bears, but a specific dessert filled with almond paste. The combination of the flaky dough and the sweet almond filling makes it one of the most beloved pastries in Danish baking. Now that you know the secret almond-filled truth behind these treats, tell us in the comments, do you prefer them with raisins or plain almond paste? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into baking science and pastry history.